Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we will talk about the affiliate program of Booking.com. So let's have a look at their website first. Their website is Booking.com. You can explore, you can see their website. Through the website, consumers can book for the stays, flight, hotel, car rentals, attraction, and more. You might have used this website yourself in the past, probably since you were searching for the affiliate program. That must mean that you are already familiar with them. And one of the things that you might not have explored is the analytics of the website, how well they're performing outside, out there in the consumer area. If you look at the analytics, they currently stand at 45 in ranking of websites worldwide. It's not just a category ranking, it's the website ranking. So they are at 45. And this is like the says that how many consumers like them and have interest in booking.com or using their services. If we look at the country rank of US, they stand at 102 rank, and the category rank worldwide they stand at 3. That's the category is travel and tourism. So as you can see, the number speaks for themselves. On monthly basis, they have the traffic of 477 million plus. That's a huge traffic. People know about booking.com, they trust them. So becoming a part of them as an affiliate is one of the very big thing, isn't it? Let's see how you and I can become part of the booking.com affiliate program. To know about the affiliate program details, you can scroll till the footer section of the website, the very end, and you will see something like become an affiliate. You can click on it. This should take you to the page, this page. The URL is booking.com forward slash affiliate program forward slash v2 index.html. On this website, they talk a bit about the affiliate program. They talk in this video, they're talking about why booking.com affiliate program is likable, like what can you get out of this affiliate program if you become their affiliate. And then they also tell the huge potential earning you have if you become their affiliate. They also have 2.5 million properties and 1.5 million rooms night reserved daily. And they have extensive network of 12,500 plus affiliates. So you could be one of them if you apply to the affiliate program and start promoting them. They don't talk much about the affiliate program on this page, but still, some glimpse into the affiliate program. And if you are interested to know how much they're offering 4% of the sale amount as commission. Now you may say 4% is very less compared to what we have seen in the previous video, which was 50%. But look at the website. We are talking about booking.com, one of the best travel and tourism website out there. So 4%, if you ask me, I still say it's pretty good. Let's move to applying to the affiliate program of booking.com. How can you apply? There are two ways you can apply. One is, as you can see, there's a form. So you can just use this form to apply. Let's see how it works. And then we will talk about the option number 2. So I'm just going to fill in some dummy information just to show it to you. We'll go with the first name, John, and the last name, LNU, email address. That's a valid email address, just so you know, but more like a dummy one that I'm using. I can choose a password. I can select my country, and I can click on next step. But I would not advise you to do that. If you're entering the information, do not enter the dummy information, enter the right information. Let me update the password. It seems it won't work. Okay, it should work now. In here, I have to mention the company or website name. Now, since we are mentioning the company and website name, we will talk a bit about their program requirement as well, just in a minute. Let me put the company name. Again, all this information are dummy. You should not be filling the dummy information if you're interested in getting their approval for the affiliate program. I can select the industry, bloggers and destination sites. I can read this and I can tick mark it and I can click on sign up. Okay, I can pass the capture here. All right. I'm missing a car, I suppose. So let's see what happens. It will take a few seconds before it takes you further. And while it's taking you further, there are some. Okay, here we are. This is the message we got. And I was expecting it. And why is that? Because on this form, they have a mechanism and it check for some information before it lets you have access to the affiliate program of booking.com. So they have a kind of requirement. They require a website or blog, and they don't allow social media web pages. So if you don't have a website or blog, then you might want to create it. If you are a developer, you could build your own website, or you could hire a developer to build it. Otherwise, you can create your own website using Google Sites, Wix. There are many platforms available. I'll also mention one or two videos in my description that could help you in getting websites. Those could be free websites for you. So that's one requirement. Second is the website or blog that you have should be live and fully functional. Third, your website should have unique travel related content. And the fourth, your website should have steady and high amount of daily visitors for several months. So it's not like that they're very choosy when it comes to allowing affiliates to the affiliate program. Your website should be good enough, should have a better traffic, and should have travel related content. Let's say you have such a website, but you're still getting this message. It could happen. So you can look for the other option, and that option is through the affiliate network. Now, what are affiliate network? Think of them being third party between brands and affiliates. They provide a platform through which affiliates can connect to the affiliate program of different brands. There are many affiliate networks available. However, for the second option, we will talk about the affiliate network of Avon. This is their website, avon.com. You can come to their website. They're one of the top affiliate networks out there, and you can create a publisher account with them. They call affiliates as publisher. Publishers, affiliates are the ones who have web presence. It could be a website, blog, or any social media web page. They can create an account with Avon. So if you don't have an account with avon.com, you can click on sign up and create an account. But I also understand it's not easy to do the sign up with affiliate networks. That there are plenty of instructions that you have to follow. Worry not. I have created a video on how to create an affiliate account with Avon, and you will find the link of it in the video description. You can follow the instruction from there, and that will definitely help you in creating an account with Avon. Let's say you got yourself an account. You can account with Avon. In that case, you can come to their website. You can click on login, which will take you to this page. This is the login page. And since I already have an account with Avon, so I'm just going to log in. It should take me to a platform. You may call it affiliate dashboard, publisher dashboard, doesn't matter. This platform would allow me to interact with different brands who are part of Avon network. I can apply to the affiliate program. I can see their affiliate program details, and I can get the tracking links. I can mention those tracking links on my website. So anyone makes a purchase, I get commission out of it. So this is the dashboard. You may call the affiliate dashboard of Avon. And since we are interested in joining the affiliate program of booking.com, we are to hover over advertisers, and we can click on join programs. This should take us to a page. This is the page. Here I can search for the advertiser, but let me just select all the region depending the region that you're located in, and the advertisers are part of. You can select the region. So I'm going to go with all for the tutorial purpose. You have to take my call if you are interested in seeing the affiliate program of that specific brand in all the region. Okay, almost there, just the last one. And I can search for booking.com. Okay. So these are all the programs that has booking.com written, and I'm interested in this one, booking.com APAC. You could explore other one, the booking.com Latam, Brazil, Australia, depending on what your interests are, what your region is. And if I click on, so there are like 4 icons. If I click on view profile for booking.com APAC, I get to see more information about the affiliate program. As I said, when we were looking at the web page on their website, booking.com website, there were hardly any information in there. But in here, we have all the required information. So as I was saying, they are giving 4% commission, and this is the tracking link structure. Let's say if I get the approval from them, I can use this link, replacing just this section with my tracking ID, and I can start promoting them. And the reason I selected booking.com APAC, because it covers these all region where I'm part of India. I may get traffic from other countries as well, but since I belong from India, so that's why I selected the APAC one. Once you have read it all and you're satisfied, you can go back to the same section where we were looking at booking.com in the listing, and we can wait for it to load. It might take a few seconds, considering there are a lot of widgets on the dashboard. So sometimes whenever you're exploring different section of the dashboard, it will take some time. It might give you some response like this. So all you have to do is to be patient and wait for it. Let's see, since we were interested in applying to the affiliate program of booking.com APAC, in that case, I have to click on this plus sign. This will show me this message. I can read all these general instructions from here. And once I have understood it all, like this basically says what I can do and what I can't do when I get the approval. I can, in the promotion section, I can select my website in here. And in message, I have to write about like how I plan to promote booking.com. Basically, how can I be good fit for the affiliate program? I already have pre-returned the information, so I'm just going to copy and paste in here. By the way, this is one of my websites, and the instruction is just about that. And then I can just tick mark this. By checking this box, you're agreeing to abide by the specific terms and conditions for this program, and then I can click on join. When I click on join, this is the message that I'll get. Thanks, your request to join has been sent to the advertiser. What does this mean? This means the booking.com must have received my application, and I would be able to see that application within pending. They will take the time. They will probably go to my website. They'll check if my website is good enough for them or not. And if they like the website, and if they see the potential in me and my website, that's when they may end up approving me. But again, it all depends on the decision of the advertiser. It may take up to 1 or 2 weeks, depending on how many applications they're getting on a daily basis. Let's say you get the approval from them, and that notification will come to your registered email address that you must have with Avon. So whatever email address that you have given to Avon, whenever you get the approval from booking.com, you get notified via the email. Let's say you get the approval, and then you start promoting them using the tracking link we just saw, and you generated some commission. How will you get the payment of it? So you get the payment via the platform of Avon. So booking.com will pay the commission to Avon, and Avon then will pay the commission out to you. So what are the payment methods available? That's a question you may have. The payment methods available for Avon are ACH transfer. That's direct deposit transfer, you may call it. The international wire transfer, again, that's a kind of direct deposit transfer. And the third one is the check. So whatever you find with, you can hover over account section, go to payment details, and update the information over there. And depending on whatever payment settings you have updated in here, you'll get commission from Avon for the valid sales that you bring to booking.com. So that's how the affiliate program of booking.com works. So I hope this video was helpful to you and will help you in your journey with booking.com as an affiliate. All the very best to you in applying to the affiliate program and getting approval. And if you have any question related to affiliate marketing, any question related to Avon network as well, if you want me to cover or create any video on Avon network, do let me know. Plus, if there's any specific brand that you have in your mind and you cannot locate their affiliate program, do let me know in the video comment that I'm interested in this brand. Can you create a video on it, like how to join the affiliate program of this brand? And I will try my best to create a video on it. In the meantime, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video that I create, you get notified for the same. Have a great day ahead and all the very best in your affiliate marketing journey.